week. Oo.
Ayan. Ito kunin natin partner ngayon ang ating ayan.
Ay.
Nagulo ako dun sa tinatype
Ano
kami.
sabi?
Okay. Kasi may e-final na kaso sa US. Etong General Manager ng Philippine Charity Sweepstakes Office natin, si GM Melquiades Mel Robles, laban dito sa isang sikat na vlogger. Pwede ba natin pangalanan itong vlogger na ito?
Ay, baka nasa news naman yan
Oo,
eh.
si Maharlika. Yan.
Oo.
Ikaw una nagpakilala sa akin ito eh. Tapos narinig ko pinaparoon ng aking mga magulang.
Na-i-chismis ko lang sa'yo.
Oo, yan.
Oo.
So, sikat na sikat nga siya, no? Nag-file siya ng defamation per se. Hindi ko alam kung anong kaibahan. Sabi na aking kaibigan si Attorney Boyd Cablay. Ay, wala pareho naman daw yun. At saka, ano ba to? False light invasion of privacy. May ganun pa pala sa US jurisprudence partner. Alamin nga natin, no, bakit siya nag-file nito kay GM Mel Robles, ating mga kausap. GM Mel, good morning. Peter at Rika, inyong kasama sa Balita Patan, sir.
Hi, good morning at sa inyo mga tagapakinig.
Hi, GML. Si Peter po.
Hi.
Tsaka si Rika. No? Well, first,
Hi, sir.
yeah, I'm not sure pero parang kayo ba ang unang nag-file ng complaint at kaso laban dito sa vlogger na si Maharlika sa US court?
I think there were two others, no? May dalawang nauna na. Yung dalawang designer na offend niya rin, na malayan niya rin. Kasi you have to understand in the US, hindi criminal yan eh.
Oo.
It's only civil yan. And if
Okay.
you want to file a criminal case, it should be through the state.
Opo.
Kaya
Opo.
ito, I'm filing for a civil case because this is the only one available. And also, I believe this is the only civil way to address yung ganito mga questions, you know.
Yeah.
So, hindi naman pwede itong ginawa niya na not just because you can, you will, no? Yun ang difference naman talaga ng mainstream media is that the mainstream media has gone through an evolution during the time ng printing pa lang eh. Hindi naman bago ito, yung mga libelous statements, newfound power to ng may cellphone ka lang, vlogger ka na eh, broadcaster ka na eh. So, that's understandable, but you have to realize that Spider-Man pa rin eh. With great power comes great responsibility pa
Totoo
rin.
yan.
No?
That's
You
right.
have no right or license to ruin people's reputation, especially
Yeah.
if you do not offer even an iota of proof.
Yeah.
Or even we call it a reasonable proof man lang. No?
Yeah.
Pero that's why I'm filing this kasi I don't mind kung job-related yung sasabihin mo, pupunahin sa akin. I've been in government before. All this come with the territory, no? But, ang sinabi niya, sometime in December, January, that I went to the States to have her killed. I paid the 1 billion pesos to have her killed, and finally she changed. Hindi. Siguro thinking that's unbelievable, that's incredible. She made it, 10 million from the winnings of PCSO, and I hired a hitman to kill her. Wow. That one is, and ito, the worst, she published a photo of my wife and my daughter, who's only 13 years old, and then saying that I am there to murder her. So, kung maging victim ng hate crime yung anak ko, or mabully and mascar ang kanyang emotion, what will not happen to her, to my daughter, who has nothing to do with it.
Yeah.
So I said enough is enough. That is the straw that broke the proverbial camel's back. Somebody has to do something about her. She is licentious. That's a fact.
Yeah.
If you would watch her, accusations, I've been repeating, sinuulit-ulit ko po. Ang akusasyon po, no matter kahit 1 milyong akusasyon, without a single proof is just that, accusation. No? But ang mga tao ay, sige, ang dami ng aligasyon. Iba po yung aligasyon sa katibayan. No? Isang katibayan lang po, okay na eh. That's why this one I'm doing this. Because I have the proof that she is maligning me, slandering me. No? Yan po ang aking ihinabla sa kanya doon.
Yeah.
Hindi ko na isasama yung mga paninirang puri niya na tingin ko, job-related, okay lang yan. Kahit na hindi ka Pilipino, hindi ka tumataya, okay lang din, that's your opinion. Pero, if you hurt my family, then iba na ito. I'll have to do something. No?
That's crossing the line. Oo. Oo.
Yeah.
So GML, let me just clarify, no. You file these cases in your personal capacity. Wala pong
Yes.
kinalaman dito ang PCSO.
Wala po.
Okay. Do you think before I turn it over to my partner Rica, no? Do you think na you're just being caught in the middle of a political quote unquote war happening in the Philippines right now? Because alam niyo naman itong si Claire Contreras or Maharlika, it would seem that she's actually favoring one political family over the other.
Yes, that's not difficult to deduct or conclude, no? But that's her game. And you've seen how they handle things. Merong video na sila mismo nag-ayawan agad. Their group, I'm talking. They put up a video of the president using cocaine, and after 10 minutes, all of them took it down, except Maharlika. Except Claire Contreras. She just stood by that kasi she's taunting everybody. Sue me here, you can't sue me there. US citizen ako eh. Hindi naman ako uuwi na eh. So that yun, ganun ka, yung shoots pa ba? Grabe.
Yeah.
No? But everybody among her group said, took it down. Not only say it was fake, they took it down. So anong ibig sabihin? Alam nila that it will not fly and that it's even a crime to republish something, no? But only this woman stood by that. And then may bago na naman. So hindi pa nga nakakabangon sa black eye, eto naman lalaban na naman, no? So these are all patterns ng it's not driven by truth or morals or any advocacy. This is pure and simple political gimmick, no? And you don't need to be a political scientist, a rocket scientist to deduct that. Wild. But sabi ko nga, be responsible for what you're doing or what you're saying.
GML,
That's kitang-kita yan. Mayroong political agenda yan.
yeah, but
For me, that's very apparent.
before you filed po sa US court, did your party reach out kay Maharlika for her to stop yung kanyang mga sinasabing mga walang katotohanan?
I don't know. I didn't even know her. I just saw her mga 2 or 3 times and cumulatively, siguro yung length ng pagkita ko sa kanya, wala pang 15 minutes. It's a very casual thing. I don't know her. She doesn't know me. Because if she knows me, she wouldn't say that. I'm sure if she knows me, she wouldn't say that. But I didn't reach out to her because how do you reach out to somebody? Nakakatakot yan eh. Loose cannon yan eh. No? So let's sort it out in the proper forum. Mahirap yan eh. Somebody who can accuse you without batting an eyelash, without offering any evidence, is a loose cannon sa tingin ko. So let's go to court. Tignan natin ano yung sinasabi niya.
We're still looking for a response, no? We're still waiting for a response from Maharlika para po makapanayam din namin siya, pero wala pa po siyang sagot kasi as of the
I would
moment.
love to engage her.
Opo,
Kung
but
gusto nyo.
wala pa po ba siya kahit na narinig ninyo in response to that? Because kahapon pa po din
Which
namin
one? Response to?
to the case you filed against her.
Oh, she knows about this and she's ignoring it, but she cannot ignore that.
Yeah.
The problem is, ito ang kanyang dilemma. You talk some more, you will sink in your quicksand. My lawyers are already guarding her. My lawyers are on guard. You want to add up more, then go ahead. Add some more lies.
Yeah.
Diba?
Yeah. GM.
So dito, that's a big dilemma for her. Anong gagawin mo ngayon with it?
Yeah.
She kept this to herself. She's not telling people na she had a case. I filed this July 15. By this time, alam niya na yan.
Yeah.
But she's not discussing this. Ibig sabihin, she knows she's in a dilemma here.
Yeah.
So, see you in court. Ganyan lang naman yan.
Yeah. One last point, GML, kung para doon sa mga maraming followers itong si Maharlika, si Claire Contreras, maraming views yan every day. Ang lumalabas na talagang kanyang pinakapaboritong punahin, to be very kind about it, ang First Lady, si Lisa Araneta Marcos, pangalawa lang actually, si PBBM. So in other words, baka ang ibig sabihin na naman ng iba, ang ibigay na kahulugan you are actually acting for and in behalf of the first couple.
Well, you can imagine ang dami na. Bibig mo, kumakausap yan sa puting ahas. Meron bang taong kumakausap sa puting ahas? So, I would not be surprised. No? Di ba? Meron bang tao ang source puting ahas? She is not even intelligent enough to name her source or bold enough. Kung totoo yan, sabihin mo straight. Hindi mo masabi yung cocaine Sasabihin nyo, pulburon Ano ba klase yun? Una-una, hindi naman masama ang pulburon So, bakit hindi nyo masabi? Diba? Because you know that you are treading on very dangerous ground the moment i-accuse nyo yung tao na nagko-cocaine. So this is all about cowardice.
Yeah.
Duwag ito. Duwag na naghahabi ng kasinungalingan. Kung sasabihin mo, source mo puting ahas. Ikaw lang yata, si Dr. Dolittle, ikaw lang kumakausap sa hayop. So, pangalawa, big deal, yung pulburon. Sabihin nyo kung say it as what it is. But no, you're scared. Diba? Ganyan yung trademark ng mga tao. Then you will accuse anybody without even offering any proof. So, ito mga tao ito, this is the worst kind of Filipinos that I've ever seen. Of course, American citizen na siya. Ang Pilipino po ay magalang at marangal. Sasabihin niya yung dapat niya sabihin dahil sa dangal, hindi dahil sa kung ano pa man, no? Kaya ito, kailangan natin dito tumayo dito. Iba na ito
Alright.
You can accuse anybody of anything without offering any evidence.
Yes.
Ay, hindi pwede yun.
Opo,
Okay.
naintindihan po namin
Yeah.
yung inyong pinanggagalingan na GML, lalo na't nadamay din kasi yung inyong asawa at anak dito sa kanyang ginawa. Abangan po namin kung ano po yung magiging progress nitong inyong i-file na kaso. At sa ngayon po kasi wala pa wala pa kami natatanggap na tugon mula sa panig ni Maharlika. But once meron na po, we'll make sure to alert you of this, sir. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, GML.
Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay po kayo.
Alright, si GM Melquiades Mel Robles ng Philippine Charity Sweepstakes Office. Ayan, nag-file na sa states.
Oo.
Hindi
Yun
na dito.
talagang
Oo.
nagpupuyos na damdamin na yun
It's not the first daw. It's not the first action taken against Claire Contreras, aka Maharlika. Ayan, tutukan natin yan. And of course, we're open kung sakaling gusto mong magbigay ng reaction. Si Claire.
Pwede kang mag-contact sa amin, Claire. Baka, Philippine time. Alam mo naman yan.
Alright. Oras!
10:03. Magbabalik po mami ang programang Balita Patan.
Naglilingkod, nagmamahal, nakikinig, nananawagan. Radyo sa Istreta, para sa mamamayan, para sa pamilya, anumang pangangailangan. Hey, hey! Radyo sa Istreta, para sa mamamayan. Radyo sa Istreta, Radyo sa Istreta, ito ang himpilan para sa mamamayan. Radyo sa Istreta.
Pinalakas na tinig, pinalawak na serbisyo, makabuluhang talakayan at balita para sa bawat Pilipino.
Kaya naman makinig na, mag-radyo sa Istrenta na.